Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in large quantities. First, select a suitable container, such as a large stock pot or a beverage dispenser, ensuring it is heat-safe. Next, choose your tea. Loose leaf or tea bags both work well for big batches. For example, to make 1 gallon of tea, you will typically need about 8 to 12 standard tea bags, or roughly 1/2 cup of loose leaf tea. This initial step sets the foundation for a delicious, large batch of tea. Now let's talk about water and steeping. Heat your water to the appropriate temperature for your tea type. For most black teas, this is around 200 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, add your tea to the water, making sure it has ample room to infuse. Steep for the recommended duration, which is typically 3 to 5 minutes for black tea, but adjust for herbal or green teas to avoid bitterness. Proper steeping is key to flavor. Next, it's time to customize your tea with sweeteners and flavorings. While the tea is still warm, add your preferred sweetener, such as sugar or honey, as it will dissolve much more easily. For an extra burst of flavor, consider incorporating fresh lemon slices, a handful of mint leaves, or even some sliced fruit. Always taste as you go, adjusting the sweetness and flavorings until it perfectly suits your palate. This step truly makes the tea your own. Finally, let's cover serving and storage. If you use loose leaf tea, remember to strain it thoroughly to remove all the leaves before serving. You can enjoy your tea hot immediately, or for a refreshing iced version, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Any leftover tea should be stored in an airtight container in the fridge, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 to 5 days. Enjoy your perfectly brewed large batch of tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.